Okay, so you probably finished watching the intro video on the front page there, and you click the Show Me Plan button, and that brings you to this page here. You're now watching this video here, and this is going to be a step-by-step video just showing you exactly what you need to do, when you need to do it, and trying to help you along the way so you don't get confused on what's going on. So watch this video in its entirety, and then you're going to want to go down to the next video and down to the NetSpin video, and then you're going to want to join NetSpin, and you do that by clicking the button here at the bottom, the banner at the bottom. It's going to take about 10 days for you to get your NetSpin card in the mail, so you want to do this just as quick as you can, get this step over with. If you ever decide you want to email those members in your team, you can watch this video to find out how to do that. So that's going to be your first step. The next step you're going to want to take is setting up your websites. So you're going to want to come over here to the left hand side to the navigation bar. You're going to need to be on your computer to do this, and you're going to click on My Websites. The middle one right here is the student loan. You're going to click on Make Primary. So you make that your primary. It's going to kick you back to the main page. Just click on My Websites again. Then you want to click View Landing and Thank You Pages here at the top. You're going to want to click on Publish Page, and that's going to show the Pay It Forward video and Pay It Forward page. And we're going to call this the redirect, so you want to click on it, make it your redirect page, and it's going to kick you back out, but it did it. The next thing you're going to do is go back over to the dashboard. You're going to want to scroll up here and click on the green link, or the green button, I'm sorry. And then you're going to want to watch the video on this page, and then your personal link is right down here at the bottom of the page. And that link is hooked up to the capture page that you made your primary, and then the Join Now button on the Pay It Forward page is going to be linked to you as well, and that's where people are going to then join and go to create their own account from that page there. Okay, so that's going to be your next step to do. Alrighty, now the next step after you've ordered your NetSpin card and you have it coming to you is come back to your website here, click on step 2, which is Bitcoins. Watch the video please, then click the Bitcoin tutorial button. This video right here is very educational for people who don't know what Bitcoin is or what Bitcoin's about. Bitcoin is going to be very soon the currency of the world, and it is what the program that you're going to make money with with RIIAB pays out in Bitcoin. All of the programs on this website that you'll be involved with, if you want to, pay with Bitcoin. Okay, so you're going to need to get yourself a Bitcoin account. This is about a 45-minute video here, but it is very educational and worth every minute of watching. The next video down is joining blockchain, and blockchain is where you're able to store your videos. It's a wallet, and it's also an exchange, so you can buy Bitcoins from your bank account, or you can exchange Bitcoins to your currency and send them to your bank account, so you can use them as, you know, use the money afterwards to do whatever you want with it. Just click the link down here below, and that will take you to blockchain, and It's pretty simple. They just follow the instructions that they give you on their webpage. You will need to have a bank account to attach it to. You don't need that right off bat, off Jump Street, but you will need to have a checking account or savings account information, to the routing number and the account number, so you can attach it to your blockchain wallet. And they do some security things there. They want a picture of your driver's license, and you can take that with your phone and then email it to yourself, and you'll be able to upload it to them. I'm sure you know how to do all that kind of stuff. The next video down is getting your hashtag ID number. You don't need this hashtag ID number unless you are doing other programs in the system. For the main program that we're going to be utilizing here, you don't need it, but you will need it in other programs if you decide to do those. So that'll be the next step, is coming to step 2 on the home page and clicking to get back into the behind the tutorials for the Bitcoin and get your Bitcoin account set up. Okay, after you've had your Bitcoin account set up, or you can be on this one beforehand or while you're working on it, click on step 3, watch the video, and click the Show Me the Money button. Now this program here is our money maker. This is RIIAB 2.0, and RIIAB stands for Residual Income in a Box. You probably figured that out based on the videos that you've already seen. But you're going to need your username in your profile section here. You want to use the same username that you're using here on this website. Just use the same username over and over again. Don't get creative. That really kind of messes everything up for me when you need help and you've got 10 different usernames. Use the same username. Just watch the video. It explains explains the program. The next video below it explains how to join the program. And then all you want to do then is click the banner. Now, for those of you that are joining with a group, whether it be your house or your friends or whatever, you watch this video here and it'll show you how to join as a group. And if you're joining by yourself, or you're not wanting to recruit other people, make sure you watch this video on how to make multiple accounts. And that'll help you out in the long run there. It's best if you're using a Gmail email account, because you're going to have to verify your email address, and if you're making multiple accounts, you're going to need multiple email addresses. But if you just follow the instructions here on the video, you'll be able to use one Gmail account and get all that done. One thing we want to make sure, and I'm just going to show this again just so that you don't get confused later. When you come over to RIIAB 2.0 and you click to join the program, make sure that your sponsor's username or name is right here. Okay. If it's not there, if it's blank, or if you've got the wrong name there, that means your sponsor probably put their username in backwards or wrong, or they didn't put it in their profile at all, so the system didn't pull for them. So make sure that their name is here. And just fill out your first name, last name. You can put your phone number in there. It's a good idea to do it. I'm not going to be calling you. Put your email address in. Put the same username in so you have it at Team RIIAB. Put your password in, one that you'll remember, and then do the security code. And then just click the Join RIIAB button, 2.0 button down below. Once you've done this, you're going to have to verify your email address. So go look for the email sent to you by RIIAB 2.0. It may even be in your spam folder. Just make sure that you mark it as not spam. Alright, the fourth step here is the Recruiter's Optional Program. This is going to be for people that are going to be recruiting people into the program, 4 or more. They're going to want to take advantage of this particular step here. So you click on step 4, you watch the video, it goes to the RIIAB downline builder, and it shows you how to join the program. Then you just click the button, and that brings you back into a capture page. Just fill that out with your information. Click on the submit button, and it takes you over to the RIIAB downline builder. And you can read about this where you can join for free. It doesn't cost anything to join, but the programs inside actually, do require you to do that. And you click on the join button there. This one here is kind of tricky because when you do the CAPTCHA code, it wants you to enter the 3 black symbols. Okay, so make sure you're using the 3 black symbols. And this one here also says something about pay with PayPal and email. We don't pay with PayPal and email, so just leave that blank. It's not required. But put your information in. You're going to ask for your email twice. You don't need to put your address and city and that stuff in there. You can if you want to, but you don't need to. Put your same username you've been using. Confirm your password. And then this one down here says confirm your main email. So this will be the 3rd time you put your email address in. And then enter the 3 black symbols. Check the box. And down at the bottom it says that you refer who your sponsor is. So make sure your sponsor's name is down there. This one here gives you an ID number. So once you're joined this program, then you're going to want to go back over into your Team RIIAB website, into the profile, and put your ID number in so that it will link to you. This program on the inside here has several other programs in the downline builder for you. It starts out with your NetSpend card that you should have, and that's your Flash Pay ID number. Then there's the Four Corners Alliance Group, which is an awesome program. It's $28 one time out of pocket. It's a 4x6 matrix. iCharity Club is $20. Now you can use your RIIAB 2.0 balance transfer. The residual income in the box, unlimited by 7, starts out at $1.50. Same thing, you can do your unpaid balance out of your RIIAB 2.0 to send to the member to pay for that. The $5 leveraging system works exactly like RIIAB 2.0 does. And if you want to sponsor others, you can. If you don't, you can put yourself in 6 times. So you're looking at like 30 bucks. The unlimited reverse 2-up, or the ultimate reverse 2-up, I'm sorry, is starts out at $5 and then has multiple different levels that you can upgrade to. The RIIAB reverse 2-up is just one level, one thing. It's $100 to start. And the Internet Bitcoin ATM is unlimited wide by 5 levels deep, and each level is $20. So the objective here is, hold on just a second. The objective here is you pay your $20, that puts you in level 1. You sponsor 4 people, and with those 4 people's $20, you upgrade to level 2, level 3, level 4, and level 5, and that puts you in all 5 levels. From then on, all you do is sit back and collect as people are joining the program. The RIIAB downline builder is a very good way for people to make a lot of money using the same referrals that they already have once, for those people that want to sponsor others. A lot of people don't like sponsoring people, so they won't ever get involved in this part of the program, which, you know what, is fine. They don't have to. The RIIAB 2.0 program will make them, you know, very wealthy. But, you know, for the same amount of effort and using your back office money out of, you know, RIIAB 2.0 to join these programs, well, I just can't see why you wouldn't do it unless you just didn't want to sponsor other people. But that's the end of this video, guys. Make sure you watch them. They're all there for you. If you have any questions, hit me up on RIIAB. Thanks.